Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPCGC अजमेर। आज हम न्यूरो एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम इन इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। The major neurosecretory system of insects include protocerebrum, corpora cardiaca, corpora lata, together with their connections. The protocerebrum sends neurosecretory axons to the corpora cardiaca that are located just posterior to brain. The corpora cardiaca are neurohemal organs, somewhat comparable to neurohypophyses of the vertebrates, except that they also contain neurosecretory cells. This is the image: neurosecretory cells, neurohemal organ, endocrine glands, antenna, protocerebrum, optic lobes, axon bundles. CC is corpus caardiacum, CA is corpus allatum, PTG is prothoracic gland, prothoracic ganglion, mandible, SOG is subesophageal ganglion, tritocerebrum, deuterocerebrum, paraventricular nucleus, hypothalamus, dorsomedial nucleus, ventromedial nucleus, infundibulum, axon bundle, venous system, posterior lobe, hypophysis, anterior lobe, venous system, secretory cells, capillaries, portal vessels, optic chiasma, supraoptic nucleus, paraventricular nucleus. The corpora cardiaca are responsible for controlling heart. They secrete orthodiphenol, which activate heart indirectly by causing pericardial cells release heart accelerating substance. Corpora allata, on the other hand, form a fat soluble juvenile hormone which has not been identified chemically but which has specific developmental action in retarding the appearance of adult characteristics. This hormone with ecdysone controls molting. The principal endocrine organ of insects, as distinct from neurosecretory structure, is a prothoracic or thoracic gland, also known as malt gland or Y organ or ventral gland. It is also known as ecdysoid gland. It is a gland of non-nervous origin supplied with nerves originating from neurosecretory cells of brain. It is also known as ecdysoid gland, non-nervous origin, neurosecretory cells of the brain. Axons from the corpora cardiaca and supraesophageal ganglia are sent to corpora allata, which are also paired structures in most insects. Corpora allata appear to have intrinsic non-nervous secretory cells as terminal and hence are true endocrine glands of non-nervous tissue origin. It exists in a pair. This gland secretes a hormone called ecdysone, first isolated from insects and crustaceans by Carl Stone in 1954. It is a steroid in nature and causes molting with metamorphosis. Together, these hormone-secreting structures form an endocrine system that helps maintain homeostasis, coordinate behavior, and regulate growth, development, and other physiological activities. In insects, the largest and most obvious endocrine glands are found in prothorax, just behind the head. These prothoracic glands manufacture ecdysteroids, a group of closely related steroids, including ecdysone, that stimulate synthesis of chitin and protein in epidermal cells and trigger a cascade of physiological events that culminate molting. For this reason, The ecdysteroids are often called molting hormones. Once an insect reaches the adult stage, its prothoracic gland atrophy wither away and it will never molt again. Prothoracic glands produce and release ecdysteroids only after they have been stimulated by another chemical messenger, prothoracicotropic hormone or PTTH. This compound is a peptide hormone secreted by the corpora cardiaca, a pair of neurohemal organs located on the walls of aorta just behind the brain. The corpora cardiaca release their store of PTTH only after they receive a signal from neurosecretory cells in brain. In a sense, they act as signal amplifier, sending out a big pulse of hormone to the body in response to a small message from the brain. Gland 1A or corpora lata, another pair of neurohemal organs, lie just behind the corpora cardiaca. They manufacture juvenile hormone or JH, which inhibit development of adult characters during immature stages, promote sexual maturity during adult stage. Neurosecretory cells in the brain regulate activity of corpora lata, stimulating them to produce JH during larval or nymphal instar, inhibiting them during the transition to adult, reactivating them once adult is ready for reproduction. Chemical structure of the hormone JH is unusual, more similar to defensive chemical found in pine trees than in any other animal hormone. The neurosecretory cells are found in cluster both medially, laterally in the insect brain. Axons from these cells can be traced along tiny nerves that run to the corpora cardiaca and corpora lata. The cells produce and secrete brain hormones. A low molecular weight peptide appears to be same, very similar to PTTH, prothoracicotropic hormone, manufactured by corpora cardiaca. Insect physiology and insect physiologists suspect that brain hormone is bound to a large carrier protein while inside the neurosecretory cells. And some believe that each cluster of cells may produce as many as 3 different hormones or hormone carrier combinations. Large number of neurosecretory cells also occur in the ventral ganglia, but their function is not known. Many other tissues and organs of the body also produce hormones. Ovaries, testes produce gonad hormone that have been shown to coordinate courtship mating behavior. Ventral ganglia in the nervous system produce compound that help an insect shed its old exoskeleton and another compound that causes hardening and tanning of the new one. There are still other hormones that control the level of sugar dissolved in the blood, adjust salt-water balance, and regulate protein metabolism. Thank you.